Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to log in Uber Eats account. Firstly, you need to open your Uber app. After that, tap on continue. Now here you got a bunch of options to log in into your account. You can log in with your mobile number, Google, Apple, Facebook and with email. Let's go with continue with email. Now you need to enter your email address. Then tap on next. You will be sent 4-digit code to your email address. Let's check our email. Here you can see Uber has sent verification code in our inbox. Now you can allow Uber Eats to access the device location, or if you don't want, then tap on don't allow. Now you need to enter your address. You can choose your building type. Also, you can enter your additional address information, floor, building name, entry code, and after that tap on save and continue. And this is how you log into Uber Eats, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.